In this video, I am going to tell you all about BzzAgent and how you can become a member and be a part of their campaigns. So stick around for that. BzzAgent is an international network of consumers doing word-of-mouth campaigns. It is no fee to join. The membership is completely free. And what you do is you test out products and services, and then you pass that information along to people either face-to-face and on social media. So once you join, of course, you have to make sure that your profile is filled out completely. You are also going to complete like these little short, fun surveys. And it just basically asks you things like, what hair texture do you have? What stores do you like to shop at frequently? And are you a fan of XYZ? You know, just basically, like I said before, some short consumer questions, nothing too tough for you to answer. Also, you have to connect like all of your social media accounts to their website to boost your buzz score. And that is one of the best ways to boost your buzz score. So if you have a blog, that is definitely a plus. And if you have Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, you name it, make sure that you have all of those social media accounts attached, because like I said before, it increases your buzz score. And the higher your buzz score, the more opportunities for you to get back-to-back campaigns. One of the most important things to do is follow their Facebook, because that way you'll be up to date on their campaigns and all of the things that they have listed. And after you do that, just sit back and wait for the campaign. So with BzzAgent, you have to be patient because sometimes the products are not going to come to you as quickly. So you have to be patient. Just make sure that you're constantly checking the website to see if you have any maybe surveys that you might have missed or anything like that. Because like I said before, the more things that you have completed, the better your chances. Currently, BzzAgent only serves the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. So what the BzzAgent company does is they compile your profile information, your surveys, your social media presence. And once they receive that, they're able to match you with the best products. Because one thing that you don't want to do is you don't want to receive product invites for something that does not interest you. So if you don't have children, the last thing that you're going to be wanting to talk about is baby bottles. So that is why, of course, it is very important for you to make sure that you fill out everything accurately and completely. Now, just because you were asked to be a part of a campaign, it does not mean that you have to choose it. If it's something that you're not passionate about talking about, then just go ahead and decline that offer. Once you receive a product in the mail, it usually takes about 10 days, and that campaign for that particular product lasts up to 8 weeks. So you have a lot of time to test that product out, to share it face to face, share it on social media, and you can be cool and creative with it. You don't have to necessarily just write about the product. You can make videos, make collages, just whatever you do, make sure that it is like top quality. You want to have like the best photos, and you want your videos to be crisp and clear, but it does not have to be perfect. And just make sure that you are staying true to yourself. And if you don't necessarily like a product, you're not really a fan of it, of course you don't have to be harsh, but you do have to be honest. So if, say for instance, let me give you an example. So I told you before, it takes about 10 days to receive it in the mail, and you're going to receive a box, either big or small, from the company, depending on what it is you receive. And my most recent one, it has a flyer, and it always says, "Woohoo, we're here." And they have a reminder for you to go to the website and let you know that when it's time to make that campaign live, then you can start buzzing all over your social media about it. So you're also going to receive some cues on the inside, of course, and this is for you to pass around. And most importantly, the product. So say, for instance, I am not a fan of Sensodyne Rapid Relief. Say that I used it for a short period of time and it didn't do anything to help with my sensitivity or to prevent any cavities. I am not going to say, hey, this is the best product I ever used in my life, if it wasn't the best product. So it's okay. There's no fear. There's no retaliation for you being honest about a product. However, if you love it, boast about it. Boast about it. Tell everybody show off as much as you can on how much you love that product, because the companies, especially if you're tagging the company directly as well as BzzAgent, the company sees those things. And oftentimes when I post on my Instagram and I tag in a company, 9 times out of 10, within the next 3 days, they hit the like button. So trust me, they are watching your pages like a hawk if you are talking about them, because if you talk about them, that brings more people to them. So the more people that you bring, the more money that they can make. So guys, I hope that this video helped you. And if you're interested in signing up, of course, you can go to www.BzzAgent.com and sign up and get to buzzing, guys. So I will see you all for the next video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.